Welcome everyone on the second session. So, as I told you in the first half that the Vedanta Limited, which we took a long intraday long trade on a 15-minute chart, as you can see, this is the bullish engulfing pattern, and I write those the reasons why we are entering here. So the from as you can see from today from 340 it started falling down, but on a 15-minute chart it is a very good sign of bullish engulfing pattern. As you can see, the green candle engulfs or completely the red candle. So we refine our entry by getting a detailed price action on a 5-minute chart. So if you see on a 5-minute chart, this is a very beautiful raw base rally pattern. And this raw base rally pattern, it give us an entry here on 11:20. From that time, the price is still on the sideways mode, but all of a sudden at 12:00 noon, the prices started to moving up, and it completely breaches the stop, the rejection, whatever the price action is going on in between this 3 minute of supply zone. As you can see, this is the 3 minute of supply zone, which is a drop based drop. It is resisting the price again and again to go up, but this time the prices just went through this, the prices went into the middle with a body, and the ranges is completely in the top of the, the supply zone. So this is the strategy, and we can see after a few minutes that the prices will reach to this, the supply zone of 3 minute near 336.60. So we already entered with a 200 position, as you can see, and we are into the profit of 360. Though we take a short, a quick intraday long position in the SGFT in a 1 minute time frame with the same bullish engulfing pattern, and we somehow managed to make a 250 profits, right? So this is a small profit, but the portfolio, if you see a portfolio in a green color, well, it feels really very good. So in the meantime, Vedanta will cross. I think Vedanta will cross this supply zone, and it will definitely give us our target of 36.50. So we will see on the next, next few hours what are the price action is going to happen in the Vedanta in the next few hours, right? So thank you so much. Welcome everyone. This is Akash Patel, price action trader and mentor in Akash Institute of Trading. So today we analyze all the indices because today is the last day of this week for trading in the Indian National Stock Exchange. So if we see Nifty and Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty and Nifty both are making a sideways move in a 75-minute chart, right? So yesterday also they made a sideways move, and today also the price still stay in the same range. As you can see, if I will draw a rectangle here, so this is the range where the Nifty 50 price action is happening, right inside this rectangle. And if you see the Bank Nifty, right? If you see the Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty today, the first candle, first 75-minute candle was a very bullish candle, but still the Bank Nifty is in the same supply area. As you can see, this is the 75-minute supply area where the Bank Nifty shows the continuous rejection again and again. And right now, the Bank Nifty is still in the same supply zone. So the next, the next two half of the stock market will decide whether the Bank Nifty will move up or down. So we are still have some patience to be maintained here because this is a no trade zone. We don't trade in the supply areas, we don't trade in the the demand zone. So only on the confirmation we will trade it here. So apart from these two indices, when we look on the metal indices, so metal indices are still a bit strong because the prices are near the all-time high, and as you can see, there is a small demand zone drop-based rally which is supported last week, sorry, which is supported last day, and today the price is dropping down and try to retest the same level. So on the behalf of that, on when we look on a smaller time frame on a 75-minute chart or on a 15-minute chart, there may be a possibility of a good price rejection in the metal stock, right? As you can see, this is a 15-minute demand zone from where the market is started today, and it is in the same area. So we look on the metal sector stocks. As you can see on my right hand side, this is the Nifty metal stocks, Adani Enterprises, Hindalco, Vedanta. So we found an opportunity on the Vedanta Limited, right? Vedanta on a 15-minute chart, if you can see, this is a very good bullish engulfing pattern. As you can see today market opened from here and the prices reached till 340 and dropped down, and from that the prices again started to drop down, but at a certain point after reaching a certain point of 332 it shows a good rejection of this is a bullish engulfing pattern. So on a 15-minute chart, which is a very good time frame, 15-minute time frame, it shows a very good sign of bullish engulfing, and after that it shows uh, a retracement to the same demand zone. So what we did, we defined our entry level on a 5-minute chart, and this is a drop based rally pattern which we can easily trade. So on this drop based rally pattern we took a trade at 332.60. So we entered here, and this is the two strong green candles which is just moving out of the same demand zone. So we just entered into this, and with the help of long position, we are targeting at least the starting of today's market, which is 337, by putting a stop loss at 331.20. So we are trying to book a risk to reward ratio of 1 is to 3.4. So with the help of that, we will able to catch a good trade in the Vedanta Limited, and also on a 75-minute chart. If you can see on a 75-minute chart, it is going to form a good inside candle. So on the all time frames on a 75-minute chart, only 11 minutes is left. Still, if anything happens on the 11 minute, then this formation is not considerable. But in the same scenario, you can see, if you see in a detailed manner, the close of the last 75-minute candle and the open of this 75-minute candle is the same. And if this after 11 minutes, if this the closing of this candle at the above, if the closing of this green candle is at above the open, or if this candle becomes a green candle, then this is a good inside candle, right? So inside candle can be traded very effectively, and also on a higher time frame. If you see on a weekly chart or on a daily chart, there are no supply zones in opposite of the Vedanta Limited. So there is a good opportunity to invest in the Vedanta Limited, but still some price reaction we can see today for in the Vedanta. So we took only the intraday positions here. The cash long positions, we are going to take some cash long positions at the level of 320 to 322. So we are ready for the cash longs also, but today this is the very good opportunity to trade intraday in the Vedanta Limited. So we took this position. So if you want to learn this strategy to how to draw these zones and how to finalize the target entry levels and the exit levels, and how to book the profit in the intraday market, or this strategy is also applicable in the weekly or in the daily basis. So if you are a working professional or a beginner in the stock market or a retailer who loses its money again and again in the stock market, contact me or contact my team or DM me, direct message me in my social media profile so that I can help you to make big profit in the stock market. So this is Akash Patel, Price Action Trader and Mentor in Akash Institute of Trading. Thank you so much. Welcome everyone on the third half. You know what? Because this is very exciting for me, and I just want to tell you how this price action moves according to the signal it is giving us, and we entered into the golden signal. So as you know that I told you before in this video that we entered in this beautiful bullish engulfing pattern. As you can see, let me broaden the price range. So as you can see, this is a very good, beautiful, signal of buying signal, because this is a very beautiful bullish engulfing pattern here. So we entered here in this range, in this beautiful 5 minute of demand zone. Let me switch the this chart on the 5 minute of demand zone. So as you can see here, this is a very beautiful drop based rally pattern where we buyed here 200 number of shares. We entered here with the position, and the prices moved up there, up in the range of 334.50 price level. But you see, here is a very beautiful supply zone in the 3 minute chart. So because we are doing it in intraday trade, and in intraday trade, you will definitely give importance to the 3 minute as well. So this is a 3 minute supply zone. As you can see, drop this drop, which is respected by the price again and again and again. But here, when we found that the two beautiful green candle, which breaches this 3 minute of supply zone very deeply, at the level of 334.95 price point, and forming a beautiful demand zone of drop base and two green candles. So this is also a beautiful and a strong picture of the demand zone where buyers are very aggressively buying, because buyers are buying and that's why the prices move all of a sudden with a gap, a small gap up, as you can see here. This is a small gap up between the close and the open of these two candles. So this is a very beautiful signal that buyers are very much interested in buying here. So we added 200 more positions here. We just did the pyramiding 200 position at this price level and 200 position at this price level, and you can see that the price gave us the entry, and after giving the entry, the price is just moved up and it is now trading in the same clean supply zone. As you can see in my positions, that the quantity which was 200 is just become the 400 numbers, and the profit level just doubled, because with the 200 it is just 240, and when we increase the number of the number of shares, the quantity as increases, the quantity profit also got increased. Though today the bank nifty and the nifty stock banking stocks are moving very much sideways, so we are avoiding trading in the banking sector. So we just grab and we just find the opportunity in some other sector so that we can trade a very beautiful trade with limited profits, and also this will be going to give us a very beautiful risk to reward of 1 is to 1 is to 3 or 1 is to 4.5 if we increase the our profit level. If the price has a tendency to break this 3 minute of supply zone, which is also into the upper section, of today's price range. So if this supply zone breaks, then we have a very good risk to reward of 1 is to 4. So we are just watching on the price level because second half is just ended here after I think second half will going to end in few minutes. So third half, what about the third half? We are going to deal with and around one and 130 or near about 145. That will be going that is going to be really very interesting for us, because on the 75-minute chart, as we can see on the 75-minute chart, this is going to be a very bullish candle. So if this bullish candle is going to happen at the price range of 336, then we are ending with 1,000 rupees of profit with a single stock. So that's what the profit level we are looking for. So we are going to see in the next few minutes what the price action will tell, whether it will move up or it will move down. So that's what we are going to see in the next few minutes. So thank you so much.